wondered how a Bitcoin transaction is actually constructed? At first glance, raw Bitcoin transaction hex can look pretty terrifying. At the top level, a legacy Bitcoin transaction is just four main parts: version, inputs, outputs, and lock time. Inside those parts, there's more structure. Each input has a previous transaction ID, an output index, a script sig, and a sequence. Each output has an amount and a script pub key. Every single byte has to be serialized in exactly the right order and format. In Rawbit, we make that structure visible and build it step by step. Rawbit already ships with 14 hands-on lessons. All transactions were sent to testnet, and every lesson includes practical exercises. They cover everything from classic legacy transactions and multisig all the way to time locks, SegWit, Taproot, and Music too. Let's take a quick look at Flow 1, the pay-to-public key hash transaction. You can see exactly how the script pub key is constructed. In Rawbit, the info nodes explain the basics of the Bitcoin protocol. But for deeper knowledge, I highly recommend reading Mastering Bitcoin by Andreas Antonopoulos. And the icing on the cake? Rawbit has a built-in script debugger. Watch how we step through the entire pay-to-public key hash script execution in seconds. First, the signature and the public key are pushed onto the stack. Then we duplicate the public key, hash it, compare it to the expected hash from the locking script, verify they match, and finally check that the signature is valid. Everything happens right here on the canvas. You can see exactly how the script executes and instantly understand why it succeeds or fails. That's Rawbit, a visual way to build and really understand Bitcoin transactions. It was released in late 2025, yet it's already being used by Summer of Bitcoin student projects, Code Orange, and Node Nation's Raw Bitcoin transaction course, and has received a warm reception from the Bitcoin community. Rawbit is proudly supported by grants from OpenSats and the Human Rights Foundation. And the best part? It's completely free and open source. You can run it locally on your own machine, or just head over to rawbit.io and start playing right now.